So please don't mind this. I always do hair with no apron on, but I wanted to do a video on my hair real quickly. So usually I flat press my own hair. My hair is natural. I flat press my own hair, but I was too tired and I decided that I'm gonna go get it flat pressed. The same place that I always get it done. Very upset. So it looks like I have a relaxer. This is it might be the second week. Looks like I have a relaxer. She burnt my hair. The night that I went home, I smelled the burnt hair through my bonnet. I'm gonna show all this. You see all this shedding. My hair is shedding. And a lot of people get their hair done and they're like, oh, it's so straight and so pretty and they like it. But I want you to see the broken hairs. See that? All that is from her blow drying my hair. My thing is, usually when she does my hair, I know that she puts it on it and then she blows it. When I flat press hair, I do not over oil it. When you put too much oil on the hair before you flat press it, it fries it. It's like sizzling. So I usually fall asleep in the chair. I didn't really pay attention. So now my hair is just flimsy and there's no body to it. I want to see if you guys can see that in the light. You see this shit? Look at the light shine on it because it needs Jesus. Look at this. So, am I upset? Hell yeah, I'm upset. But I'm going to restore my hair. I can't believe this shit. Look at this shit. Look at this shit. This is crazy. So I am going to restore my hair and do a hair mask on my hair. I have the length. It is still healthy, but when I wet my hair, you're going to see the difference. So I'm going to wet my hair and come back. Okay, I'm back. Usually when I wet my hair and it kind of prep it for my wash, it adds the weight, the curl to it and all that. Look at this crap. I'm so mad. Where the hell is my curls? My curls are so much tighter than this. I can smell the wet hair. I mean the burnt hair. So I'm going to treat this with a Bentonite clay mask. I'm going to use Bentonite clay. I'm going to use olive oil. And I'm going to use apple cider vinegar to remove all that burnt smell and all that grease and product from my hair. And to restore matter of fact, I'm going to actually add hair protein to my mask to restore the protein in my hair and the bonds. Look at, yeah, it's just nice, it's pretty, but why? I work hard on this crap, but I'll be back. Okay, clean his glasses. We have washed the mask out. She got some bounce back. She's trying. She's trying. This is my Sweet Almond Protein Shampoo. This shampoo strengthens the hair and helps bring back elasticity. Get a good lather. Then ends. I refuse to cut them out. I want to restore every part of my hair. Nice lather. Get the little bald side. Okay, so look at her. So this is my Sweet Almond Protein Conditioner. It's kind of thick. It's not too thick, but it does have a shea butter base. This conditioner, I use it as a leave-in. You don't have to. You know, less is better, but I put a lot in because I'm not going to touch my hair for about 3 weeks. So I'm going to leave it in. This kind of fills in the cuticles of the hair shaft that are broken, just to, I guess, bring it back to life. So I'm deciding I'm not going to wash it out.